I'm Brian Champion. I'm the general manager of Panera Bread here in Niles, Ohio. I've been with them for 20 years. It's just an everyday grind with working in a restaurant. We have over at least 20 cooler doors that need gaskets, freezer doors. Whenever I was talking with Patrick, the gentleman with Gaskets Rock, he said, our gaskets last twice as long. And I said, yeah, whatever, you know what I mean? But they do. There's no doubt about it. I'm gonna look in the camera. They last twice as long. Gaskets Rock's gonna come in and they're gonna set up a unique labeling system for every cooler door, where you just have to give them that number. They're gonna put a sticker on the door, you give them that number, call them, and they're gonna come right back out and change that gasket. They last 2 to 3 times longer than what our competitors were providing us. We switched with them in March of 2019. I just now had to change my first 3 gaskets about 3 weeks ago. So almost an entire year, whereas before those same gaskets that I changed, I would have had to change them 3 or 4 times since then, easily. Everybody has, you know, a gasket issue. Either a torn one, a dirty one, you know, and it's just really nice to know that I don't have to deal with that anymore. It's simple, it's just a phone call, and they're here, they change them, and it's done with.